Hello everyone, this is the Sodor Samurai here, and today we're going to do an unboxing video on the Plarail 80th anniversary Thomas the Tank Engine. So I got this today from one of my mum's friends. See, here's a clear look at the whole thing. I can't tell you how excited I am for this because when I first heard of this model for the first time, I was so excited that Plarail would ever do such a thing. A Plarail Railway Series Thomas. So without further ado, let's go and unbox it. So here is the 80th anniversary Thomas. It's Plarail. Right. So here's the Railway Series Thomas out of the packaging. The design is based on his appearance from C. Reginald Dolby or Reginald Payne. Honestly, they did a really good job capturing the whole aesthetic of Reginald Dolby's illustrations of Thomas. Yeah, I know the sides here are stickers, but I don't think that's a big issue because this is just so mind-blowing. Plarail will do this for the 80th anniversary. And here we have Annie and Clarabelle. I really like how Plarail decided to give them their own individual faces to differentiate them. So here's Annie. And here's Clarabelle. Right, so now with all that out of the way, I'm going to go and put a battery in him and let's see how he runs. Hi again, I've just fit a AA battery inside Thomas. And I've already set up my Plarail layout that I have got at the moment. Alright, so first run, off we go. Shit. Right, so there you have it. My new Plarail 80th anniversary Thomas the Tank Engine. I hope you guys all enjoyed this review video. and I'll see you again next time.